Let us now see one of the important function in Redux Toolkit that simplifies creating Redux reducers and actions for managing a specific part of the state, and that is createSlice. It is a powerful tool because it removes much of the boilerplate code involved in setting up Redux by automatically generating action creators and handling updates to the state in a clear and consistent way. So, slice is nothing but a part of the store itself where we will be creating multiple slices. Then, eventually, we will be giving access to our main global store. Then, whichever component needs the data, they request the data from the store. Then, store will look into the slices and get the data and send to the components. So, using this createSlice function, we are having four big benefits. First is generating automatic action type and action creators. Instead of manually defining action types and action creators, createSlice generates them based on the reducer name we define. For example, if we create a reducer function called addItem, createSlice will automatically generate an action creator called addItem and an action type slice name slash addItem. Second benefit is cleaner and organized code. It makes writing this reducer a lot easier because we no longer need that switch statement, and also the default case is automatically handled. Since createSlice combines action creators, action types, and reducers in one place, it keeps all the related logic organized and easy to read. So each slice of the state is contained within its own slice, making it easier to maintain and debug. For example, for pizza, I will be creating pizza slice. For burger, I will be creating burger slice. So each and every slice of the state is contained within its own slice. Third benefit is it is going to simplify reducer logic with immer. So Redux Toolkit integrates the immer library by default, allowing us to write mutative logic in our reducers. This makes the code cleaner because we can directly change the state properties as if the state is mutable, and immer takes care of immutability behind the scene. But behind the scene, Redux Toolkit still requires this kind of logic where we do not mutate the state, but using immer, we will now be able to convert this kind of logic to a mutating logic. And last and fourth final benefit is reduces boilerplate. Traditional Redux setup requires defining action types, action creators, and reducer functions separately, which can lead to a lot of repetitive code. But using this create slice function, we are going to combine all into single slice, making the code simpler and shorter. So create slice combine create reducer and create action to automatically generate initial state, reducers, and action creators. So initial state, which will be having default values for a slice of a state, reduces functions that describe how the state should change in response to actions, action creators function that can be dispatched to trigger reducers. And this is the syntax of create slice. Inside that, we are going to pass name of the slice, then we will be passing initial state, and then finally we are going to pass reducer, inside which we are going to define action creators.